Zincho. Aren't they adorable? Y'all, come on in. And they have these little kitten hills on them. But the best crawfish. Ooh, y'all, look how cute. I just started wearing caps and I realized I look so cute wearing caps. But anyways, we are back with more book mail. I placed that first order at Book Outlet, and when I was doing the unboxing after I finished, I realized that's not all the books that I ordered. So the rest of them came in. And also my younger sister sent me a book that she recommends me check out. So more book mail. I'm gonna start with hers. So she sent me 2 parts Sugar, 1 part Murder. It's a mystery book by Valerie Burns. And we actually plan on reading this together, so this should be fun. It's book 1 out of a series. I think there's 2 more or maybe 3 more books in this series, but it's supposed to be like a really good quick read. So I got 7 books. Must Love Flowers, A Curse of Shadow and Ice, The Salt Grows Heavy. My sister also recommended that I get this one. Ooh, this one I'm so excited for. This is Full Exposure. It's supposed to be based in New Orleans, and I'm from Louisiana, so I had to get this one. 2 books by Zincho. One is Behind Frenemy Lines, and the other is The Friend Zone Experiment. I love it whenever the main characters are older. Yeah, and this one it says the main female character is in her 30s, and then also Love and Lattes. So that is all my book mail. And I'm a sucker real bad for cute cover art. Like, y'all, look how cute these covers are. Aren't they adorable? Say hi! So I'm about to head out and go run some errands, get some groceries. Have y'all been to Walmart lately and seen the TBR After Dark section? I love that they're paying attention to what's currently trending. And I've read none of these titles so far, but I did buy King from this author right here, S.J. Tilley, and then I learned about all these other titles. But I'm only getting Dr. Seuss today. Am I late, or has this book always been up? I love this. Oh, look at these. They're so Y2K. They're kind of ugly though. And they have these little kitten hills on them. It's Tommy Bahamas. It's so cute. So I'm about to get started on dinner. Tonight I'm cooking smothered sausage and tomato gravy. This is Louisiana weather for y'all. Look at the rain. I love it when it rains, y'all. Look how peaceful it is. This is the furniture that I plan on reviving. This is that table that I said I'm going to end up spraying. And those are the 2 chairs that I want to refinish. But everything else, I'm about to get rid of. Anniversary beach day.
Yes, we should.
Crawfish Acadiana. You too. So I stopped at my mailbox and I received my Fairy Loot Romantasy Book of the Month today. And I got crawfish. It was one of the best days ever. I left my dip in the car. When the crawfish is busting, you don't need dip. But when it comes to my potatoes, I gotta use dip for the potatoes. See? So good. This crawfish is amazing, but the best crawfish in all of America is located in West Texas, and it's my brother's crawfish business. I'm your Crop Happy. If y'all want some really good crawfish, y'all go check out my older brother. Breakfast. Is it yummy? First bite. Tell me how it tastes. It tastes like ice cream. Ellie. I don't know if I like it or not. I'm about to head to Barnes & Noble's to pick up the $5 book of the month. We're currently parked at the mall. We just did a little bit of shopping. So this should be fun. Got the book. The curls are curling today. I'm getting some content on real estate inside of one of these listings. A beautiful home that's on the market. It is so beautiful out. Y'all come on in.